everybody, me and Austin are out river walking. I don't know if you can see everything that you need to see. You've got the dropped A, the double L, ball perfect mason. He actually fell down the bank and landed right on it. I was like, whoa. He was like, oh hey, I found a jar. It's got number 2 on the bottom. So we emptied the mud out of it, little sort of. We're going to pack it out of here and take it home, and I'm going to add that to my mason jar collection. We didn't come looking for jars, but hey, we found one. So I finally got enough signal to look this jar up. I don't know if the sun's going to help you or hurt you. The way that the ball is written on the jar, that dates from 1910 to 1923, so we decided to come back down here in the riverbank where Austin fell off the bank up here to see if we could find anything else. So we're going to look around here a little bit if I can get the sun to stop glaring on your screen. See if there's anything else down here around 100 years old, or hopefully older.